Hi guys, so today just wanted to share with you how I manage Daphne whenever she's having a big tantrum. So as you know, Daphne was diagnosed with ASD, which is autism spectrum disorder, when she was 3. And this day talaga nagwawala siya. Naglalaro lang siya, then suddenly iiyak siya. Usually, I let her with her emotion naman na para maturuan siya kung paano i-manage yun. But since 10 minutes na siya, over 10 minutes na siyang umiiyak ng tuloy-tuloy, I have to interfere na. So, kinausap ko siya dyan na bakit ba siya umiiyak, anong kailangan niya, ba't siya umiiyak. I also taught her na to inhale, exhale. So, if you can see, nag-i-inhale, exhale siya dyan. And if you can see there, nag-calm down na siya. So, kinausap ko na siya na kasi ang gusto niya daw is Coke. Sabi ko, hindi pa pwede. So, I asked her to drink a water na muna para lang mag-calm down siya kasi medyo siguro na sumakit yung lalamunan niya. But usually ganun lang naman ginagawa ko, especially with people with autism, is that we let them manage their emotion para lang alam nila kung paano. But if we need to interfere na, that's when parents do interfere para lang tumahan na, but in a calm way dapat. Kasi hindi naman din sila na ma-manage na pasigaw or what. Kasi usually, hindi mo talaga sila madidisiplina ng kung paano i-disiplina yung ibang bata. So that's how I would just like to let people know and let people be aware of how we manage autism. Thank you.